Bitcoin is the #1 value asset on this planet right now, with returns of 80% average per year over its current lifespan, and property being one of the most incredible forms of passive income with an average return of 4% per year. You guys do the math. It's a 20x difference in those two assets. And property is supposed to be the one that stores your value, and Bitcoin is supposed to be the one that increases your store of value. So Bitcoin is definitely the king, the #1 asset on this planet. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. In today's video, we are going to be delving through a number of incredible indicators that are here to tell us that Bitcoin is now getting ready to make its pump. Regardless of all the noise and everything that's just going on outside, I don't know if we will be going down any more than what we already have. Right now, it just looks as though the charts are pointing to the upside. And I'm going to show you exactly why in this video. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of this video, because there's a lot of content that I have to share with you in today's video. So thank you for being here with me, guys. I did a video on the Star Atlas project a little on Saturday for you guys. It was incredible. Go and have a look at that video. It was so much fun. And I did another video on Jasmine. So go and have a look at that one. See if that's something that you guys enjoy. I will be doing a ton of videos for you over the course of this week. So do not miss out on the opportunity to be here with me. Miss you guys all. Love you all. Let's delve right into the content. We've got a lot to get through today. The cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at a $1.1 trillion market cap, slowly but surely creeping up every single day, 0.3% up, 25.5 billion trading volume. Some trading volume is not doing that great, to be very honest. So the trading volume in Bitcoin on the last 24 hours has only been 7.3 billion, whereas in Tether it's been about 12 billion. So more has been traded in Tether than in Bitcoin so far. So Bitcoin is sitting at 26,705, Ethereum at 1633. Very, very interesting stuff here. Excuse me. I'm not going to read out the rest of the chart and the numbers today. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 46, guys. It's okay. It's been sitting at 46 yesterday. Last week was 40. Crypto bubbles, Rollbit, CFX, Ton, Rune, Frax, Myota are all pretty much down. The rest of them are averagely in their same position, and a few of them are up. Casper, Link, Ape, and other Casper. So they're all just slightly up today. So I'm great to see Chainlink up on the market. You guys know that the news reports for the current week ahead is we have home builder confidence, housing starts, and housing permits. Those are generally indicators, and we can go and have a look on this chart here to tell us that those are probably strong indicators to tell us that the market is going to have some sort of level of volatility. So, of course, the market is waiting for Wednesday's Federal Reserve interest rate decision and Fed Chair Powell conference. Guys, what do you believe is going to happen? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think they're going to pause? Do you think they're going to decrease, or do you think they're going to carry on increasing? Let me know what your thoughts are down below. But plain and simple, if they increase interest rates, the likelihood is Bitcoin and stocks go down. If they decrease interest rates or hold them, the likelihood of stocks and crypto and risk on assets go pumping is much higher. And for me, I think it's rather the latter than the former. I think that the Fed is going to hold here. I don't think they're going to raise. That's my personal view. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So Thursday, we'll have initial jobless claims. We also have US account deficit and the Fed manufacturing survey and US leading economic indicators, existing home sales as well. And then Friday, we have federal government Lisa Cook speaking, S&P flash PMI services, manufacturing PMI services, and another Fed speaking and another Fed speaking. So, guys, lots of Fed speaking this week. Excuse me. Oh, protein shake from this morning. Guys, I drink pea protein shake. What protein shake do you drink? Do you train and do you drink protein shake? Let me know down below, because protein is one of the fundamental reasons why the body gets stronger, the mind builds, and the body builds. So if you guys aren't clapping high, good quality, absorbable protein, that is going to be at your own deficit, of course. So on Wednesday, you can see there's a ton of British news here that is very, very likely going to move the market quite a bit, as well as Euro news. And then, yeah, here in South Africa, we have core CPI, plus we have CPI and CPI year on year. So those are pretty decent, right? Now, guys, I want to go and show you a few articles. But before I do that, let's us go and have a look at the US Dixie chart and see what the US Dixie chart, this is US oil. So US oil on the move, guys, on the move. I need to show you the Dixie. That's what I'm looking for. So here is the Dixie chart, guys. I think the Dixie chart, my personal views, I think we've actually reached resistance right now. But that'll be based on what the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions are over the next couple of days. So be patient, wait. You can see here, there was resistance, 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 and resistance, and we pumped through every single one of them. But right now we're coming to a very, very, very oversold. We've been very, overbought. We have been very overbought for a number of days now. Then on the total 3 crypto market cap on the daily, it looks like we've come to the top of this triangle pattern. It looks as though we've broken out and are somewhat retesting. A little bit overbought on the RSI. Volume is increasing, which is great, which tells me that we could essentially try and make some pump up here to the top side over here. That would be that would probably be my target, is the 200 moving average up here, which would take us to about the $330 billion market cap on crypto. So I want to show you guys, we already over here have hit this candle here. Okay, so you can see that candle, plus the volume, plus the RSI, reset, pump. We had this down slope that we broke through, okay? We're having a similar scenario right here. We've had a crazy slowdown right here and a push back to the upside. We've had the RSI resetting, got a similar candle with more body volume and larger than this one over here, okay? At a very similar point. We are looking as though we're breaking or wanting to break through this level of resistance over here. So I think if we don't get above this purple box, we probably hit resistance and come back down. Okay, that's my personal view. But if we do get above here, we smash to the 30K level, we pull back down to this 27.5, 28K level, find some support here, and then start to make our break up here, up to the 38K target that I have previously been speaking about. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're going to hit that very soon? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you guys want to trade cryptocurrency with me, make sure to go ahead and pin down below in the comment of these videos. You will see that I have, you can go over here and you can go and see pinned at the top, I have my links for you guys where you guys can go ahead and trade with me. Here is the link right here. You can go ahead and get that there right now. So absolutely super excited about that. And a shout out to the moon. Carl from the moon. Absolutely, bro. Let's do a collab soon. I'm keen. Shout out to you. So if you're watching this channel, make sure that we do a collab soon, Carl. I'm super excited, man. So other than that, very, very cool stuff happening in the market. I want to go and show you a few articles in a moment after I've shown you just very, very quickly something here. Okay, let's start off with Watch Your Guru. I've taken a lot of information off the Watch Your Guru page because there is a lot to share with you. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. Well, firstly, this is from 9th of September. $2.69 trillion was wiped out of the US stock market on March 16th, 2020. The largest single day loss since 1987, okay? So that was 16th of March 2020. That's when C19 happened, right? Okay, and something else I want to show you. Just in, Nancy, 83-year-old. I mean, gosh, this woman doesn't even look 83. I wonder what she's taking in the background. I wonder. 83-year-old Nancy Pelosi announces she is running for another term in Congress. Wow, that's interesting. While serving 36 years in politics with an annual salary of $193,000 a year, she managed to increase her net worth to $290 million through stock trades and lobbying. Look, if you couldn't convert $193,000 a year into 290, even if you were in politics or not, I would be very surprised if you couldn't do that. But 190, I mean, that's literally a 1000x on her money in 36 years. So pretty decent. In crypto, you can probably do that in 1 year if you chose the right crypto project to FOMO into, to degen into. So I want to go and show you another article that is very, very similar to that one, with one of our most favorite representatives. Well, U.S. Senator, and I'm being sarcastic if you didn't get that, but U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren calls to investigate Elon Musk while serving her 10 years in Congress with an annual salary of also $193,000. She managed to increase her net worth to $73 million. Now, this one is a lot more suspicious, guys, because if you had to take $193,000 X tax, X expenses, X all of that, what is left over to actually put into your money and to put into stocks and invest? Well, over 10 years, you should probably, if you had to invest the whole chunk, you would have about just under $2 million. So where on earth did she get $73 million from? Well, I wonder. If you guys think you know, let me know down in the comments below, because I do know, and I can tell you a lot more about that. But that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to share some crazy thoughts with you, because in 2022, these 97 members of the US Congress profited from trading stocks that were influenced by committees they sat on. All of these people, they're part of committees that they're supposed to be helping regulate, but they're trading the stocks, okay, that they're supposed to be regulating, guys. This is the biggest flaw and the scandal and fraud in history, more than tax itself. Well, tax is probably the biggest one, but nonetheless. And the last little quick one that I wanted to show you from here is the US congressman introduces a bill to ban the Federal Reserve from creating a CBDC. Go Republican Tom Emmer. That's amazing. And then also $1.34 trillion asset manager Deutsche Bank to offer Bitcoin and cryptocurrency custody services. So guys, if you're watching my channel, I hope you're clicking the thumbs up to like the video, and definitely subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with family members that you may believe will need to see content like this. Guys, this is very, very important information to be sharing with your friends, your family, your communities across the world, because at the end of the day, when we look at what happened 15 years ago with the Lehman Brothers, they had a $680 billion asset collapse, triggering a recession in the US known as 2008 financial crisis. So the 2008 financial crisis, and if you guys didn't go watch my video that I did for you guys over here, make sure to go and watch that video. It is crazy information in that video, guys. You don't want to miss out on that, the content in that video, because actually, if we're sitting at $680 billion with one company, imagine what's happened with FTX, who only had like 30 billion. Imagine what happened with all of these other companies that have been going under, that have had a few billion under their belt go. Okay. Which means that we're seeing some crazy, crazy stuff happen here in the market. So thank you to Watch a Guru. Shout out to you guys for the incredible news and information that you have been sharing. I want to share with you guys that Bitcoin clean energy usage is now more than 50%. Bloomberg reports Elon Musk previously said Tesla would once again accept Bitcoin payments when clean energy usage exceeds 50%. So there's a lot in this article and about the clean energy percentage, but we have reached that threshold. So let's see if Tesla will start accepting Bitcoin again very soon. We've been waiting for this. It's been some time now already. Let's go and see what happens there. But I want to go and show you some of the craziest things that you have seen. As I said here, Deutsche Bank to offer crypto, Bitcoin and crypto custody services. Now, Deutsche Bank is, of course, one of the biggest banks in the whole world, right? And this is an article from yesterday, just by the way. So the largest bank is officially partnering with Taurus. I'm a Taurus. I'm not a Taurus, the company, but I'm a Taurian, to provide crypto custody and tokenization services. Indeed, the bank was tabbed the Swiss firm after participating in a $65 million Series B funding round. So incredible, guys. Deutsche Bank getting into crypto. All the banks are getting into crypto because they do not want to lose out on the opportunity to make liquidity from what is about to come. The adoption is real and it is going to happen whether you like it or not. And this brings us back to this crazy video that I will show you in a few moments. So make sure to stay tuned right.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto.
A couple of these videos. But this is a throwback to when $9 trillion asset manager BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said crypto is digital gold and Bitcoin is an international asset. So if you guys think the biggest asset manager, CEO of the biggest asset managing company in the world, Larry Fink, says it is an international asset and it is digital gold, do you think that they're not getting into it? They've been getting into it for some time. They've been stacking their bags. And I want to show you something in the charts very soon. So stay tuned to this video and make sure you hit my Bitflex link down below, pinned in the comment for you. You can go ahead and trade these cryptocurrencies with me, guys. I'm still in my long position on Bybit and I have a position on Bitflex. Okay, that I got into a couple days ago. So do not miss out on that opportunity to come ahead and trade with me. So I want to show you guys a couple more things, because with Larry Fink speaking this way, okay, as Bitcoin is digital gold, why would you not want to accumulate Bitcoin, especially when we have seen a crash, okay, the FTX crash, accumulation point, a little low, the springboard, which we broke the highs here, breakout, retest support, and then start the throwback and then start the mark up, which is the reaccumulation phase, a punch up, a correction phase, and some more continuation pattern here. Now, I want to go and show you even more of this, okay? This is the one that I want to show you, okay? So this is the wick off, and thank you to Stock Money Lizards on Twitter. Shout out to you as well. This is the incredible chart here that we have seen. And if this looks familiar to you, let's go and have a look at this Bitcoin chart. I want to just go and show you something, right? Okay. So first of all, let's get out our drawing. So, boom. Let's go here, back here. So we have the throwdown. Okay, so let's write the throwdown first. So here's the throwdown. Boom. Throwdown. Okay. Here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, let's go do that. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, and guess what happens from there? Boom. Okay, you drop. There's the springboard. This entire section is the springboard. Guess what happens? Boom, you spring up above these two levels. Guess what? Boom. Okay, it bounced here for a correction. That's okay, but it sprung up here. Okay, right there. And what you can see is currently accumulation period, okay, on this point. So guess what? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, accumulation period. Now guess what? There's a throwback and we are right here. You can see that. This is the throwback. This is where we're currently at. This is point number 2, okay? So we're currently at the throwback position right here. Okay, what do you think is going to happen here? I've been saying to you guys that I think that this is the bottom, and I'm going to show you why in a very, very quick moment here, okay? Because for some time, I have shown you this resistance level right here that we met, this resistance level, this support level, and now we've hit the second support, okay? So for me, we have already hit that support. What do you guys think? We've already hit that support twice now. So for me, this is where we start to make the pump up, a little accumulation phase, and then a pump up to the upside. So if we had to go and have a squiz here, guess what? Okay, so even though we've had the golden cross, the golden death cross, not the golden cross, we would have a pump up through this level right now, probably hit somewhere up here, then smash down here, accumulate a little bit before we make another move up to probably this 45 to 48K level, as you guys can see here, that are coming into this chart here. So huge, huge, huge energy that we are seeing in this chart. What do you guys think about that Wyckoff accumulation here? So the halving is definitely coming up very, very soon, and you guys can see that. Okay, so I would like to know from my community what you guys think about this down in the comments below, guys. I think this is Bitcoin is gearing up for a very, very, very good move. The most unfortunate thing is that on the daily, we are now oversold, but we have got some bullish divergence. You can see here where these lows are lower and these are higher. So that is bullish divergence, and you can see that on the daily time frame. And you can see that right here, right now, where we have the weekly chart busy resetting itself on the RSI, making a very, very strong move to the upside. So if you guys are still not convinced, then make sure you check out cycle 1, where we actually had this crazy fall. We've been supported this entire time by this level here. We pumped up from the bottom of the circle to this cross point at the circle, and then we made a correction. Pump up from the bottom to the cross up, correction. Bottom to crossover, correction. Guess what? What is the next move, guys? It's pretty darn obvious. Coming up to the cross up. And this cross up level, if I had to look at it, it's probably around 350,000, okay, on this level right here. I want to show you one last chart. Mount Gox was the first collapse. That was the reason that the first Bitcoin collapse happened. The next one was the Bitfinex. So the first one was 96. The second one was 86% drawdown. The third one was 84% drawdown. I don't know what that one was. I can't answer, but this was C19. And then we had this whole FTX debacle, which has drawn us down 77%. So the drawdowns are getting less as well, which is very, very beautiful and very interesting. And if you see that, that is in alignment with each and every single RSI turn up, guys. It is telling us we are about to go up. If you guys do not see this, and you cannot see how Bitcoin, it has finished bottoming out, it's my personal view, I think Bitcoin has bottomed out, then you guys, I can't answer. Because if I have to look at this bottom and that top, this is the craziest divergence that you can actually see. Look at that level, okay? And look at this level, which is very, 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 very strong bullish divergence on the Bitcoin chart, on the RSI and the Bitcoin chart. And this is on the weekly, guys. It is very bullish right now. So if you're selling Bitcoin, then I don't know what you're doing right now, but that's okay. And if you want to sell Bitcoin, use my link down below. I'm going to make some money from you guys as well if you're going to sell Bitcoin. But in my personal view, I'm long on Bitcoin. What are you doing? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up. I want to see 15 likes on this video minimum, and I want to see 100 views from all of my beautiful subscribers. And if you're watching and have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Much love and beautiful blessings to all of you. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss channel. Love you all. We'll see you on the next one.